Yo guys, it's Dami, and in this video we are going to review these AirPod Maxes that I got from DHGate, and they do come with USB-C. Let's dive right in. So first off, let's talk about the packaging. They do come in a one-to-one box, like how the real ones would. They do come with like the purple Apple logo and the purple AirPod Max as well, which does reflect the color of the AirPod Max that you did get. And you also have the serial number, which also shows in your settings page on your iPhone and also on Apple's website if you do want to check that out. So let's actually unbox these. So as you can see when you're unboxing, you do get this ear cup protectors here, and you also get the AirPod Max themselves, but we're going to put that to the side. Over in the box you have the designed by Apple in California paperwork, and you also have the USB-C to USB-C braided charging cable, which looks like it is an original charging cable, if I'm not mistaken. So we're gonna just put that to the side and let's dive right into the AirPod Max themselves. So when we get to the AirPod Max themselves, they do come with this case or protective carrying case, and inside of it has this kind of, will I say velvet or will I say like soft texture, and you can see that it has the design by Apple in California but assembled in Vietnam paperwork in there. And apparently it's actually very simple. You just take it out the case and it would show up on your iPhone or Apple device or Samsung, whatever you're pairing it with. It would show up on Apple, show up with the pop-up screen, but every other device that's not an iOS device, you would have to go to the settings page in your Bluetooth to pair these. And once you pair it, it would show the AirPod Max themselves with a battery percentage, which I think it's a very cool feature that these have. And oh yeah, these are metal, by the way. These are no plastic, these are metal. So once you have them paired, you can go into the settings and you can see every other information about it, like the serial number. I did try to run the serial number through Apple, but for some reason this one did say it has been replaced, but it shows on the settings as it has expired. But I think this just has that alone, but every other one that you get with the link down below should not have this issue. So the other thing I did check was the sound quality on these, and I'm gonna tell you, like, these sound really good. They sound almost as good as my Beat Studio Pros, or maybe even at the same level or even better, depending on the settings that you do have in your EQ on Spotify or Apple Music. And I did check out spatial audio, that works as well flawlessly. It actually works even when you tilt your head, so that's a good thing. And you also have ANC and transparency. Transparency works flawlessly, by the way. You can hear everything around you. And ANC, I couldn't hear a single thing as long as you have that seal right there. And the ear cups, you can take them out and change them. I believe you can take them out and clean them, or swap them out with a different color like the originals do, or like the originals act like. So that's a really cool feature here. So all in all, that's pretty much the AirPod Max themselves. They have this mesh band at the top, like the real ones as well. Weight wise, they are kind of heavy, so wearing this all day might hurt your head, just depending on that. And yeah, grab these. It's gonna be from AirPod Max, from Air Max 01 or 10, and you're gonna pick best metal ANC in whatever color of AirPod Max that you want, or AirPod Max best ANC, USB-C, and metal. I will put a screenshot or something up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Future Dami, don't forget, do that. And yeah, all in all, I don't think these are fire headphones. Summer's coming up, and I know everyone is trying to get in the fitness bag, so I'll say go cop it, go look fly. It works like the real thing, connects to your Apple device like the real thing, sounds as good as almost the real thing, the features work like the real thing, so you're not really missing out on much. So all links will be down below in the description. Any questions, drop them down below in the comments, and I'll see you on in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and peace.